phone is a telecommunication device that permits two or more users to conduct a conversation. Telephone is the first device in the history which people used to talk with each other across the long distance. The first telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. In this picture you can see clock. Clock is an instrument which keeps and coordinates time. The clock is one of the oldest human inventions. The first clock was invented in the 13th century. The oldest mechanical clock didn't have the visual indicator and showed the time by striking bells.
Knife is a type of knife which blades retract into the handle. The first knife was made from stone. Knife has two parts, blade and handle. People have been using knives to protection, cooking and hunting, and now some people use it for rituals. Vacuum cleaner is a device which cleans the dust. First vacuum cleaner was made in the USA by Hubert Cecil Booth in 1869. People use vacuum cleaner to keep their houses clean, but it has one minus: is high price.
Device which helps to save food fresh. In the past, people put food in snow and cold river to keep it. Once upon a time, famous traveler wrote a book in which he described about snow and ice. It's a very important thing in our life. Everyone has a fridge. In the past, people used special birds in order to send messages. They had known about wars and they could prepare for protection. Nowadays is not useful. Everyone sends emails.
Nuclear bomb is one of the most destructive weapons on the planet Earth. The first nuclear bomb is used in the Second World War when USA destroyed towns Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. In my opinion, is the worst weapon in the world.
Compass is an instrument used for navigation and rotation and which shows four directions: the north, the south, the east and the west. The compass was invented in 1044 in China for traveling in the deserts. Now compass is very popular for tourists and for sailors.